It's a really exciting day in FE in Wales because today we're celebrating the launch of a new report that has been written that is looking at the social value of FE colleges. Now, anyone who works in an FE college will know the impact that we have on individuals. And that impact is actually quite easy to measure because we can look at results, destinations, how many students move on to higher education. What this report does is looks at the things that are maybe a little bit harder to measure and actually starts to give a real sense of the impact FE colleges are having on communities, on the prosperity and actually the future of the whole of Wales. The report is linked to the goals laid out in the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. This again is really exciting for us as a sector because it's really pinpointing the areas in which we're having an impact. At Bridgend College, we are absolutely thrilled to be cited in the report for the work that we've been doing around wellbeing and sustainability. I'm standing in the award-winning STEAM Academy at our Pencoed campus, and this is a building that absolutely was designed to encourage people to work together to solve the problems that are coming for us in the future. A building that absolutely has got curriculum rooted in green skills and all of our courses able to work together in an innovative, fun space to try and solve those problems together. Fundamentally, FE colleges are places of learning, but this report shows that we are so much more than that. And actually, we are anchor institutions in all of our communities, playing a vital role in moving Wales forwards.